Hari Om. Shloka class and summer camp children will begin today's annual fundraiser invocation with Chinmaya Mahima Stotram. Chinmaya Mahima Stotram is a beautiful composition by Swami Tejomayananda, affectionately called Puja Guruji, on the life and glorious work of Puja Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda. The divine glories of pure consciousness is Chinmaya Mahima. The chanting of the stotram will help us remember Puja Gurudev's divine glories as we prepare to celebrate the glorious 75 years of Chinmaya movement.
Natva Sadguru Padaravindam Kurmaschinmaya Mahima Ganam Bhakti Mukti Mangala Rupam Gurum Smarama Sada Prasannam Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Kerala Deshe Prakatita Chinmaya Balakrishna Namnayuta Chinmaya Chattambi Guru Shikshita Chinmaya Shaishavehi Samskarita Chinmaya Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Manasa-balaka Chinmaya Tathapi Shiva Dhyane Rata Chinmaya Krida Pravina Yuva Priya Chinmaya Vidyagrahana Kushala Vara Chinmaya Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Nagare Shikshita Chinmaya Vidhi Bhashangla Visharada Chinmaya Vritrapatra Lekhakavara Chinmaya Swatantrata Sangramaka Chinmaya Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Grahagata Chinmaya Tata Shivananda Shrita Chinmaya Sannyase Guru Dikshita Chinmaya Chinmayananda Bidana Chinmaya Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Shramagata Chinmaya Swami Tapovana Prashishya Chinmaya Shastra Adhyatma Pradhanarata Chinmaya Priti Prapta Guru Prasada Chinmaya Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Darshana Prerita Chinmaya Jnana Yajna Prarambhaka Chinmaya Asankhya Jana Priya Preraka Chinmaya Chinmaya Samsthapaka Chinmaya Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Gita Jnana Pracharaka Chinmaya Ashrama Sandeepa Nikrita Chinmaya Aneka Mandira Nirmita Chinmaya Upakaraka Sadhaka Jana Chinmaya Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Purita Manasa Chinmaya Sakala Jananam Hitarata Chinmaya Balaka Yuvaka Prashikshaka Chinmaya Vidyalaya Samsthapaka Chinmaya Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Chinmaya Gurave Namo Namah Samaja Seva Preraka चिन्मय स्वास्थ्य चिकित्सादायक चिन्मय संस्कृत गौरव स्थापक चिन्मय ग्रन्थानेक प्रकाशक चिन्मय चिन्मय गुरवे नमो नमः चिन्मय गुरवे नमो नमः सेवामय चिन्मय नित्य शुद्ध गुरु विमुक्त चिन्मय महासमाधौ संस्थित चिन्मय भक्तिरस्तु नस्त्वय्ये चिन्मय चिन्मय गुरवे नमो नमः चिन्मय गुरवे नमो नमः चिन्मय गुरवे नमो नमः चिन्मय गुरवे नमो नमः श्री चिन्मयानंद महाराज की जय।
We will now chant Margabandhu Stotram, composed by Appaya Dikshitar, a great saint of Tamil Nadu who lived in the 16th century AD. The stotram is dedicated to Lord Shiva, known as Margabandheshwarar. It personifies great devotion to Lord Shiva as Margabandhu, who protects the devotee, especially those who invoke him during their travel. Pure consciousness, Chinmaya is our Margabandhu, the best friend on the path of virtue, courage, and wisdom.
Shambho Mahadeva Deva Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Devesha Shambho Shambho Mahadeva Deva Phalavanam Ratkiritam Phalanetrajishadagdha Pancheshu Kitam Shulahataratikutam Shuddhamardenduchudam Bhaje Margabandhum Shambho Mahadeva Deva Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Devesha Shambho Shambho Mahadeva Deva Ange Virajat Bhujangam Apragangatarangabhiramottamangam Omkaravati Kurangam Siddha Samsevitangrim Bhaje Margabandhum Shambho Mahadeva Deva Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Devesha Shambho Shambho Mahadeva Deva Nityam Shivananda Rupam Nishnuta Shesha Lokesha Vairi Pratapam Kataswaragendra Chapam Krittivasam Bhaje Divya Sanmargabandhum Shambho Mahadeva Deva Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Devesha Shambho Shambho Mahadeva Deva Kandarpadarpagnamisham Kalakantham Mahesham Mahavyomakesham Kundavadantam Suresham Koti Surya Prakasham Bhaje Margabandhum Shambho Mahadeva Deva Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Devesha Shambho Shambho Mahadeva Deva Mandala Bhuterudaram Mandaragendra Saram Mahagauryaduram Sindhuradura Pracharam Sindhurajati Dhiram Bhaje Margabandhum Shambho Mahadeva Deva Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Devesha Shambho Shambho Mahadeva Deva Appaya Yajvendra गीतं स्तोत्रराजं पठेद्यस्तु भक्त्या प्रयाणे तस्यार्थसिद्धिं विधत्ते मार्गमध्ये भयं चाशुतोषो महेश शम्भो महादेव देव शिव शम्भो महादेव देवेश शम्भो शम्भो महादेव देव शिव शम्भो महादेव देवेश शम्भो शम्भो महादेव देव.
We will now conclude the invocation with the chanting of verses 1 to 12 of Bhagavad Gita, chapter 12, also known as Bhakti Yoga. In these verses, Lord Sri Krishna explains that devotion, bhakti, is the easiest and most direct path to realizing God, surpassing even meditation and knowledge when practiced with love and surrender, pure consciousness. Chinmaya is our divine guiding light for the teachings of Bhagavad Gita.
Om Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Om Shri Krishna Paramatmane Namaha Shrimad Bhagavad Gita Atha Dvadashodhyayah Bhakti Yogaha Arjuna Uvacha Evam Satata Yuktaye Bhakta Swam Paryupasate Ye Chapyaksharam Avyaktam Tesham Ke Yoga Vittamaha Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Maya Vishamano Ye Mam Nitya Yukta Upasate Shraddhaya Parayopetaha Te me yuktatamavataha Edvaksharamanirdeshyam Avyaktam paryupasate Sarvatra gamachintyam cha Kutasthamachalaam dhruvam Sanniyam yendriyagramam Sarvatra samabuddhayaha Te prapnuvanti mameva Sarvabhutahite rataha Kleshodhikatarastesham Avyakta sakta chetasam Avyakta higate dukkham Dehavadhiravapyate Yedu sarvani karmani Mani sanyasya matparaha Ananyenaiva yogena Mam dhyayanta upasate Teshamaham samudharta Mrityu samsara sagarat Bhavami nachirat patha Maya veshita chetasam Mayeva mana adhatsva Mayi buddhim niveshaya Nivashishyasi mayeva Ata urdhvam na samshayaha Atha chittam samadhatum Na shaknoshi mayi sthiram Abhyasa yogena tataha Mamichaptum dhananjaya Abhyasebhya samarthosi Matkarma paramo bhava Madarthamapi karmani Kurvan siddhim avapsyasi Tadapyashaktosi Kartum madyogamashikaha Sarva karma phalatyagam Tatah kuruyatatmavam Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasat Jnanadhyanam vishishyate Jnanat karma phalatyagaha Tyaga chantiranantaram Om Tat सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे भक्तियोगो नाम 12ोऽध्यायः। ॐ हरिः ओं श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओं। सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। श्रीकृष्ण